Chencho Sumten, Panden Sakya be Tirab Shijik, Shini Tang, Shisum Namasumki, Namtar Turtushi, Mojo Mashubi Muela. Chamjorgi Tsudu, Be Sakya Chimbu, Dungrab Mojo Samshishuna.
We, the Sakya tradition, is actually founded and established and flourished by the Khön members. And the Khön members are originally believed to be the direct descendants of the celestial beings that who came to the high mountains of Tibet, and some of them returned, but some of them settled and then continued. So at that time, they were known as a clear light celestial race. So the first name for the Khön family is called clear light celestial race.
Teyang, Nangamo, Jambe Yang Namdu, Namla Chiring Tang, Yuring, Yusi Shebe, Labun Sum, Mi Yudu Pumni, Dungu Jimbar Pewala, Wese Hai Dungu Je Taxing.
And then they were engaged with the Rakshas, and the Rakshas were defeated. And outwardly, inwardly, of course, the earlier Khön members, the emanations of Manjushri, so the Manjushri defeated the ignorance. So the word Khön comes from that. Khön means like actually disagreement. So disagreement with the outwardly, with the Rakshas, inwardly, with the ignorance.
Tene, Donggu Shizamgi Jesu, Tsenla Yabangi She Chawashik Chung. Te Simpu Garing Chami Servashik Dune, Te Chuma, Kubdu Shebale, Sejik Chung. Se Teni, Simpu Tang, Khönbe Parkebe, Khönbarki Shebe Tsentobe, Te Donggu Namla, Khön Shetak.
Shandarakshita, Guru Pema Sambhava, and the king Chisonda's time, then the real Buddhism came and established the monastic traditions. And the first Khön to involve actively in the Buddhism is called Khön Nagendra Rakshita, who was also a great translator. And then he was chosen at that time, it was the first time for the Tibetans to receive the full-fledged Buddhist monks' ordination. So they were not sure whether the Tibetans will be able to keep all the Buddhist monks' vows. So 7 persons were chosen as a trial. 3 older persons, 3 younger persons, and 1 middle-aged person. And one of the 3 younger persons was the Khön Nagendra Rakshita. Khön Nagendra Rakshita has a younger brother who's known as Rinchen Dorje. And he's not a monk, he was a householder. And they both received empowerments and many teachings, especially the Vajrakilaya and the Samyak Hiruka. So those 2 deities was the main deity of the Khön family, Khön tradition.
Kenlop Chesum, She Zombe Gopsu, Khön Lu Wang Sumani, Semi Mi Dungi Kongsu, Rub the Chungshin. Chung, Khön Dochirin Chini, Lobe Pema Chungnegi, Lomar Gur. Tu Tene Sung, Khöngi Dungu Nandu, Sanga Ngajurbe, Lugi Kebatang, Drube Gibu, Sam Mache Barjun.
And so during Khön Gyalpo's time, then his brother, he also has an elder brother, and he said that I'm old, now could not learn, but you are younger, so you must learn from the new tradition. So at that time, when he inquired, at that time the most famous master is the Drogmi Lotsawa. Lotsawa means translator. Drogmi Lotsawa Sakya Ishi. And so from him, then he received many teachings, especially the Lamde and the Hebajara circle of teachings.
Thurab Chujibe Godedu, Kun Rock Sherab Sujim Tang, Kun Gunsho Gebo, Gunchi Chungshin. Chung Kun Gunsho Gebe, Dromi Lozawaso, Sanga Sergurki, Kedu Nidengi Lozawa Dume Shabla Dune, Shindu Kebar Gurshin, Hagbar Sunga Lamjegi Tabor Gur. Chumu Langelo, Chilu, Jekno Yami Dunju Sum Loro, Langche Nyewa Jawe, Wembuji Mweshina, Sakarshin, Numba. Chu Yesu Pabala Sobe, Jashibe, Getsen, Dumie Chuba Shixine. Tela, Bande, Sakya Zula Kang, Tomar Chagdabe, Sakyabashi, Tento. Tu Tenesung, Tensho Sumden, Hurry, Khöndung, Sakyabashi, Tsengi Nyeba, Zemlin Yonlakub. Teyang, Ngar, Choche, Wembuji Wensu, Di Tundang, Shi Jig, Humi Jig Jegi, Signa Chungshin, Teni, Maombar, Jamyangi Tuba Tundang, Jenre Sigi Tuba Jig, Chana Doji Tuba Jigje, Tomar Jumbar Yurshin, Jesu, Risung Guibu Tuba Gumi Chebar Jumbe, Dagdang Denti Yimbe, Lung Denze. Kun Gunsho Gebu, Sage Densa, Chumu Langelo, Jigdong Yami, Dunju Sumne, Long Nishurku Par Yangdi, Chubu Dai Lo, Jigdong Jiga, Jumi Ni Lor, Gui Gueba Chunyin Su Dube, Tsuden. Sachen Gonga Nibu, Gongna Chawe Wangki, Yumki, Peri Lozawa, Densar Guebe, Tirab Niba, Beri Lozawa Yin. Chilo Chekdong Jiga, Jukjine Sung. Sachen Gonga Nibu, Densa Yangshin, Dene Jizun Sunam Zemo, Jizun Chaba Yensen, Sakya Benchen, Drogun Chuege Papa Jegi, Rimbe Densa Yang. Kong Namla, Sakya Kongma Namla Shecha. Tirab Guba, Dengni Chimbo, Thermopala, Rakshita Devi Jesu, Donggu Chela Newe, Nianchang Jengi Tukab Shik Chungwarden, Tirab Chujiba, Dengni Chimbo, Sambu Begi, Ngachir Zumu Dun She Yuekang, Ngala Rigi Se Chongatang, Jizuma Ni Je Chungde, Dongbeze. Tene Dongse Namla, Lajang Sosor Guebe, Shito Lajang, Lagang Lajang, Rinchi Gang Lajang, Duchu Lajang Je Chung.
And the Sakya lineage is traditionally carried on, as I said, from the right from the beginning by the Khön lineage up until now.
Tedar Drove Sonamgi Gogedu, Kebatang, Drube Dengi Jengi Donggu Rimbuchi, Samma Chebar Rimbar Junshin.
Ombadabani Hong, Ombadabani Hong. And also, moreover, although at the moment we think of just two palaces, but in reality, every Dongse has their own families. So in reality, it's not just two palaces, there are many palaces. So that everyone will have the chance, every member to have, those who are qualified, have the chance to become the head.
Tada, Zemlin Shernup Kansar, Dendru Zeba, Lepchin Yangda Yongshibe, Drema Pojang Tang, Punzo Pojang Nam Nini, Duchu Lajang Ni Cheba Shigin.